Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment, the number one channel for entertainment news and celebrity gist happening around. For new subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit on the bell button to get new notification when a new story drop. News reaching us today confirms that Rema is dead. Rema is dead, I think. Rema died around 12:39 a.m. today. He has been rumored dead on Twitter, WhatsApp, and Facebook. May he rest in perfect peace. According to rumors that spread out today, Rema was spotted to have been found in his apartment in Lagos today. Well, it seems like the rumor is true because according to Wikipedia, Rema's biography was changed on Wikipedia that he is dead recently at 12 a.m. Rema's death is fast spreading everywhere. Is Rema dead? This is the question on the lips of many Nigerians. According to rumors that spread out today, Rema was spotted to have been found dead. Rema biography, all you need to know about Rema. Divine Ikubo, born May 1st, 2000, known best name as Rema, is a Nigerian singer and rapper. In 2019, he signed a record deal with Johnson World, a subsidiary of Maven Records. He rose to prominence with the release of the song Iron Man, which appeared on Barack Obama's 2019 summer playlist. The singer was born in the year 2000 into a Christian family in Benin City, Edo State. Rema grew up singing and rapping while in secondary school. He attained his primary and secondary school education in Edo State. Rema signed a record deal with the Prince Johnson World, a subsidiary of Maven Records, in 2019. He released his eponymous debut EP, Rema, in 2019. He peaked at number 1 on Apple's Music Nigeria. On 19 October 2019, Rema won Next Rated and was nominated for Viewer's Choice at the 13th edition of the Eddies. On the 12th January 2020, he received the Sound City MVP for the Best Artist. Is Rema really dead? On the 22nd of March 2019, Don Jazzy, the CEO of Nigerian top music record label The Supreme Maven Dynasty, unveiled a new artist, Rema. Rema is the first artist the label is unveiling after their multi-million-dollar investment with the Kubanda Holdings. He already has 2 songs to his credit under the label, Iron Man and Maybe. We'll be seeing Rema's full name, biography, date of birth, age, family, nationality, early life, education, net worth, music album, and houses. Here's a quick rundown of Maven's record Rema's profile and few keys things you should know about him. Full name Divine Ikobu. Stage name Rema. Date of birth 1st May 2000. Age 18. Origin Edo State, Nigeria. Resident Lagos. Occupation singer, songwriter. Instrument vocals, piano. Years active 2015 to present. Label Maven's Records. Rema was just signed into the record label and not much is known about him yet. He, however, has an estimated net worth of $20,000. So guys, I don't know how true this story is, but I sincerely hope he's not dead. Let me know what you think in the comment section.